You ask, I answer, and today I am answering your question. How to prepare yourself for personal profile analysis, PPA test, and in response to my video I have posted recently. So let's get started. Personal profile analysis, PPA test, is a psychometric tool designed to assess workplace behavior and personality traits. It evaluates candidates based on the DISC model: dominance, influence, steadiness, and compliance. So the question was, how correctly answer dreaded questions in PPA tests? The simple answer is, it really depends on the position you're applying for and the traits required for the job. The forced choice format, which presents 4 adjectives for each question, demands not only self-awareness, but also strategic thinking. It's essential to recognize that while honesty is crucial, aligning your responses with the traits that are most relevant to the job you're applying for can significantly enhance your results. For instance, if you're applying for a leadership position, showcasing assertiveness and decisiveness will resonate more than traits like submissiveness and passive approach. However, if the company is looking for a person who is a servant leader, having an emotional intelligence is a must. Consistency is another key component. The test evaluates your responses for alignment. Inconsistencies can raise red flags about your self-perception or honesty. Therefore, it's wise to focus on how you present yourself in a professional context rather than your personal behaviors. If you are typically methodical at work, prioritize that trait over a more spontaneous nature you might exhibit in your personal life. Familiarity with the DISC model, dominance, influence, steadiness, and compliance, will also aid in your preparation. Understanding which traits align with the role you seek allows you to tailor your answers effectively. For example, if you are applying for a dynamic sales position, emphasizing traits like influence and dominance can be beneficial. However, when it comes to solution selling, being a good listener is a must. Half of your sales comes from keeping quiet and listening to your customers. Additionally, as PPA tests evolve, they are often integrated with other assessments to provide a comprehensive view of candidates. This means being prepared for a holistic evaluation that may include cognitive and emotional intelligence tests. With the rise of remote work, these assessments are commonly administered online, making it crucial to practice and familiarize yourself with the format. Ultimately, staying calm and trusting your instincts during the test can lead to a more authentic representation of your workplace persona, helping you navigate even the toughest questions with confidence. Understand, the forced choice format is the key. Each question presents 4 adjectives, and you must select one that is most like you and one that is least like you. Remember, there are no neutral options, so you must make a choice even if none feel perfect. Be honest, but strategic. While honesty is key, tailor your answers to reflect traits relevant to the job. For example, if applying for a leadership role, emphasize traits like assertive or direct over submissive. Stay consistent. The test checks for consistency across answers. Avoid contradictions, as inconsistent responses may indicate dishonesty or lack of self-awareness. Focus on workplace persona. Answer based on how you behave in professional settings, not in social or personal contexts. For instance, if you're more methodical at work but spontaneous in personal life, prioritize methodical. Again, it truly depends upon the position and the person the employer is looking for. The answer to what they are looking for is in the position description, and if you need clarification, do not hesitate to give them a call and ask. They will tell you. Prepare for common traits, Familiarize yourself with the DISC traits and understand what they mean. Dominance, assertive, competitive, risk-taking. Influence, outgoing, persuasive, sociable. Steadiness, calm, reliable, patient. Compliance, rule-following, detail-oriented, structured. Avoid overthinking. The test is timed. Trust your instincts and avoid second-guessing. To make it look like they have new tests. From time to time, most test companies alter test questions and use synonyms in answers to trick candidates. Please do some research on synonyms and DISC traits. I hope this answers your question. If you do have any other questions, post it in the comments section below, and I'll address them in the next video. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us, it helps our community, and it is absolutely cost-free to you. No strings attached. Thank you for supporting our community and our channel. See you in the next video.